Hope you're having a great Saturday, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Crystal Plone. Now, throughout the day today, what we've seen are some warm temperatures and some breezy winds also. Here's what our current temperatures look like. They're in the low to mid 80s at the moment, but earlier today, we did see those high temperatures in the upper 80s, so about 5 or so degrees above our normal high temperature for the day. This is our heat index value, so factoring in that humidity that we do have outside, and it feels like the upper 80s, even the lower 90s in some places around the Brazos Valley. So what that means is that there's a lot of humidity in the air, so it's making things feel a little bit stickier if you were to head outside. Now, winds have been extremely breezy out of the south-southeast, between 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's what they are at this time. They were a little bit higher than that earlier this afternoon, but our wind gusts are what the main story is for today. Right now, they're between 20 to 25 miles per hour, and earlier today, those were upwards of 38 miles per hour in some spots. So this is what we're going to continue to see through the rest of your evening and into your day tomorrow, those warm temperatures along with those extremely gusty winds. This is the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and that we are monitoring a couple of severe storms up there. There were a few tornado warnings as well. All this activity is going to stay towards the north. Here in the Brazos Valley, we've seen not that many showers, if any, throughout the afternoon. We're going to keep that chance at around 20% through the rest of the evening tonight. We shouldn't see anything severe overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Sunday morning, a lot of moisture will still be around the Brazos Valley, and there's a possibility to see a few light showers, very similar to what we saw earlier this morning and earlier this afternoon. Sunday afternoon, though, we'll start to introduce a 40% rain chance. Some of those storms could be a little bit on the strong to severe side, but the main story that we're watching is on PinPoint forecast. You notice a little bit of a line up towards Dallas, leading towards Abilene. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This line's expected to move closer to the area and actually get to us by the early morning hours on Monday, mainly overnight Sunday into Monday. Some of those storms could be a little bit on the strong to severe side, so just pay attention to the radar and the forecast throughout your day on Sunday. If you do have plans outside, there's no need to cancel them. Just keep an eye on the radar just in case you do see some rain. We're expecting things to remain mostly dry through your day Sunday, really towards the afternoon and evening, but especially the overnight is when you're going to need to check the radar. But for tonight, 74 degrees with that 20% chance of an isolated shower. Mainly things will be breezy and humid, especially with those temperatures in the mid-70s. So tomorrow, those temperatures increase into the mid-80s, very warm and muggy once again, very similar to what we saw today, except there's a little bit more of an increased rain chance in the afternoon. Looking ahead in your 7-day forecast, though, Tuesday and Wednesday and even Thursday still look to have the best rain chance throughout the week, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. At the moment, computer models suggest that we could see about 6 inches of rain on both of those days. That's both of those days combined, so we do have the potential to have another heavy rain event across the Brazos Valley, but that is about 3 days out from now, so that forecast could change just a little bit. Make sure you're paying attention to our forecast for those latest details, but for now, hopefully you have a great rest of your Saturday and enjoy your day.